Hey guys and girls, so today we're going to do a real quick video about tree trimming, and hopefully you can see this okay. The lighting out here is not good, and the iPhone doesn't really pick up dark too well. So as you can see, just picked up our Christmas tree. This one here is, it was about, say 10'4", 10 foot, anywhere between 10'2" and 10'4" is what I estimated. So good practice is to square off the bottom of the tree. So you can see this has been freshly cut. Here's the piece, this piece right here. So this is all rough and it's dry, and it won't take water nearly as well as what a fresh cut will. So what I've done is I've used a cordless circular saw. I like doing this. It makes a real straight cut, especially if you know what you're doing. Pretty simple, rips through everything. And then as you can see, what I've done and what I like to do is I actually like to add cuts in there. These cuts are, they're maybe 3/8 of an inch deep. Not too deep. What I used to do is I actually used to take a saw and I used to bevel cut and actually take like notches out of this. It worked really well too. But I think this year we're just going to try doing just these little cuts. I think it increases the surface area and the ability for that tree to absorb the water a little bit easier. We'll be using Tree Fresh with this, or the it's the oh, what do you call it? I'll put a link in there. This is a name brand product out there, and it's supposed to help preserve the tree. I don't know if it actually does. The tree stand that I have, it actually has, this is a bracket that I had to remake for it because it was plastic. So what happens is you screw this on, you center it up, screw it on, and then it helps just center everything when you're putting it into the tree base or the stand. So as you can see, I've got drill, screws, and that base that I made. This is actually just out of a piece of a Pollock panel or aluminum face plastic. Really quite simple. So yeah, I'm going to screw this on. We got our cut made. Everything should line up pretty good because the cut is nice and straight. Now that's not guaranteeing that the rest of the tree is going to be straight, but it'll definitely help. So basically you went from having something like this to have something like this that's nice and straight. Take your time. You can use a bow saw. I suggest a bow saw if you're going to be using any kind of saw, because it's got an aggressive tooth pattern for cutting this. If not, you could use just a regular handsaw, but it's going to start binding up with all that sap in there. You could use a sawzall as well. I've done that in the past. Again, it starts grabbing into all that sap, even with like an aggressive tooth, and it just starts grabbing everything and shaking everything more than it does cutting. So like I said, we're gonna throw this little piece on here, center everything up, haul it into the house. So hope you found the video informative. Like I said, I really like adding these grooves. I think it helps with the tree and absorbing water. If you liked the video, think about giving me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, thumbs down. Tell me why down in the comments there, and maybe even think about hitting that subscribe button right there. I'm adding content all the time. Until the next video, thank you.